Welcome back to Beautyistic. We all know that oral care is crucial not just for that $1,000,000 smile, but for overall health too. And if you're someone who's been struggling with gum issues, today's review could be a game changer. We're diving into Parodontax Active Gum Repair Breath Freshener Toothpaste, designed to tackle those pesky early signs of gum problems and keep your breath fresh. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Parodontax isn't new to the oral care scene. It's known for its focus on gum health, and this particular version, the Active Gum Repair, aims to be a real savior for anyone dealing with gum bleeding, redness, swelling, or bad breath. Each box comes with three 3.4-aughts tubes, perfect for lasting you through those weeks when you're giving it a shot to see if it works. What makes this toothpaste stand out? Well, it's clinically proven to reverse early gum problems, specifically those 4 major signs we just mentioned. This isn't just your regular toothpaste. It's formulated with a unique blend of ingredients that target not only the bacteria causing gum issues, but also protect against cavities, all while leaving your mouth feeling refreshingly clean. It claims to reduce bad breath by a solid 75% for those struggling with bleeding gums after just 3 weeks of regular use. I've been using this toothpaste for a couple of weeks now, brushing twice a day. It's got a bit of a strong, almost medicinal taste, which I actually appreciate. It's a good indicator that it's doing something. The texture is a bit different than typical toothpastes. It's more like a gel with a gritty feel to it, which adds to the feeling of deep cleaning. And I have to admit, I do notice that my gums feel healthier. No bleeding, less redness, and my breath definitely stays fresher for longer throughout the day. Now, the biggest question, does it work? Honestly, it does what it says it will. I noticed a real difference in my gum health within the first week. My gums were less sensitive, and the redness that I sometimes experienced during brushing started to subside. That long-term bad breath protection? It's no joke. If you're dealing with those kinds of gum issues, I'd say it's worth trying out. So, what are the pros? First, it's effective, clinically backed, and tackles multiple issues at once. It's also gentle enough for daily use. The recyclable packaging is a nice bonus. Hello, sustainability. On the flip side, the taste might not be for everyone. It's not the typical minty fresh vibe. It's more herbal, which may take some getting used to. The texture might feel a bit gritty to those who prefer a smoother toothpaste too. As for the price, it's certainly on the higher side compared to regular toothpastes. However, when you factor in its gum healing benefits and long-term breath protection, I'd say it offers fair value. You're not just paying for a regular paste, you're investing in something that actually supports your oral health in a more targeted way. If you're looking for alternatives, some brands like Sensodyne or Colgate also offer toothpaste designed for sensitive gums or breath freshening, but none that offer the same level of gum repair Parodontax does. So unless you have a serious sensitivity issue, you might find those cheaper, but without the full gum care benefits. As for build quality, the tubes are sturdy and easy to use. No complaints there. I've had no issues with leakage, and I appreciate the practical, recyclable packaging. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, so the 3 tubes should last you quite a while, even with twice daily brushing. Is this toothpaste worth the price? If you're dealing with gum issues, bleeding, redness, swelling, or persistent bad breath, this could be exactly what you need. The performance and the long-term benefits definitely justify the cost in this case. It's perfect for those who want to proactively manage their gum health and keep their breath fresh day after day. Now, if this review is helping you decide whether or not to pick up a tube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. That way, other beauty lovers can get in on the action too. Your support helps us keep making reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've used Parodontax before, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And of course, the link to grab your own Parodontax is down in the description box. Thanks again for stopping by Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.